to Utisam Mathematics. In this video, I want to talk about some other application of percentage, and I'm looking at percentage increase, decrease, and then error. So let's begin. Percentage increase is given by the increase over the original price times 100%. Percentage decrease is also decrease over the original price times 100%. If we are finding percentage error, then the error over the original times 100%. When do we have this situation? For example, if there is an increment in the price of tools, sometimes you may want to find the percentage increase or decrease. And then if you are measuring something and you know the original length, if you get anything apart from the original length, then there is an error. Sometimes you want to see the margin of error, the percentage margin of error. So let's take some examples to explain further. But before that, if you are finding percentage increase and decrease, sometimes you want to find the new value. If there is a percentage increase by X%, then to find a new value, it is 100 plus X over 100 times the original value or the initial value. For decrease to the same thing, decrease, it will be minus 100 minus X over 100. Now let me inform you that these are mere proportion. For example, the original price is 100%, and this this is equal to Y. So if it is an increase, you add a percentage to 100. That's why we are having 100 plus X over 100 times Y. The same thing applies to the percentage decrease. So let's take some examples. In July 2021, there was an increment in the price of diesel per liter from 9.50 to 13.20 Ghana cedis, which later declined to 12.50. So in the first part, we have to find the percentage increase. So looking at the question, the price of the diesel moved from 9.50 to 13. So there's an increment. So what is the percentage increment? So first, initial amount, that is 9.50, and then current amount is 13.20. So the increase will be 13.20 cedis minus 9.50, and this is giving us 3.7. Let's find the percentage increase. Therefore, percentage increase would then be 37 over 9.50 times 100%, and this is giving us 38.95%. So let's go back to the question, the second part. So it rose to 13.20 and then declined to this. So in this case, our B part, initial value becomes 13.20, and then the current value is 12.50. So when you look at the price difference, you see that there is a decline. So let's see the decrease. The decrease will be 12.50 minus 13.20, and this 0.7. Now you can make it minus. Minus indicates that there is a decline. There is a decline, but you don't need the minus to find the percentage decrease. So the percentage decrease then becomes 0.7 over. So the initial value becomes 13.20 times 100, and when we simplify, we are getting 5.30. Okay, let's work another question. The population of Prempeh College was known to be 54,000 in 2025. 1 year later, it increased by 20%. Find the student population. This is an application of percentage increase, right? And we said that if we want to find the new population, be 100 plus X over 100, times initial population. So initial population, so this becomes 100 plus the percentage increase is 20 over 100 times initial population is 54,000. So when we simplify, we are getting 64,000, and that will be the new population of Pembrokeshire College. Let's solve another one. A student approximated a figure of 0.0125 to this. What is the percentage error? So this is the original figure is 0.0125, and then approximated figure 0.0011. So look at these values. It's clear that there is a difference. So let's see the error. The error becomes 0.0125 minus 0.0011, and this is giving us 0.0114. Okay. Therefore, percentage error now becomes the error, which is 0.0114 over the original value 0.1015 times 100%. When we simplify, it is giving us 1.2%. That is the answer. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you like the video, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification so that anytime I upload the video, wherever you are, alerted. Bye.